Hi guys, is your iPhone storage full again? iCloud wants money and you don't want to pay? Then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to move photos and videos from your iPhone to a USB driver. Easy, fast and no stress. Before we start, please like this video and press the bell button. Thank you if you support me. Connect the USB. First, connect your USB driver. If you have USB-C or Lightning, just plug it in. If you have a normal USB, you need an adapter. This works on iPhone with iOS 13 and newer. That means almost all iPhones from iPhone 6s. On older iPhones you may need extra power. I use iPhone 16. I only need a simple USB-S adapter. Then open the Files app. Go to Browse or Locations. You will see your USB driver there. Great, it works. How to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone? Open the Photos app. Select photos and videos you want to move. Yes, even that varied screenshot. Tap Share, then tap Save to Files. Choose your USB driver. Choose a folder. Tap Save. Done. If you have many files, move them in parts. Important: if your USB driver is in NTFS format, like Windows, you can only read files, not copy. Solution: format your driver to FAT32 or better, exFAT. Warning: formatting will delete all files. Check Files on your USB driver. Go back to the Files app. Check your USB driver. All photos and videos should be there. Now you can delete them from your iPhone and enjoy free space. Bonus: now you have space for new photos, even the ones where your finger is on the camera. Call the action. If you want more Apple tips, like this video and press the bell. Thank you for watching, subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Now I go transfer my photos from 2015 year. Maybe I find something interesting. See you later and bye-bye.